Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. It is Thrifty Thursday and look what I got from our local Saver'S, a jewelry jar. I had so much fun unboxing this last time. If you missed that, I have a playlist of all the jewelry jar and boxes that I've unboxed. I love mystery boxes, so if you like mystery boxes and jewelry and jarring, keep watching. I am a crafter. Most of the items that I will find here I will reuse and repurpose for my crafts. And also if there are wearable items, I'm definitely gonna keep it personally for myself and share it with friends and family. But if you are interested in purchasing any jewelry, I have some wonderful channels and I'll list them down below. They're some of my favorite resellers that I watch, so I'll make sure to check that out. So this jar was $19.99. I had a 20% off coupon, so it was $15.99. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what treasures we'll find in here. Alright guys, I have removed the tape. So a lot of these items, according to the lady that puts them together, are mixed with some broken jewelry and some jewelry that they've had on the shelf for a while that haven't sold. So I can already see some loose little beads there. Let's see what fun items we'll find. Okay, let me just push this aside so we can see what we have here. First up, we have these beautiful pearl beads, and I love this crystal looking faceted bead. Those are always fun to use as dangles in our journals. And then just some broken up little seed beads here. We'll have to see if we can find the pair for this pearl earring. So I'll put that to the side, and that'll be my craft pile, and then we'll put this over there. Now I found, and I was looking at this little stretch bracelet, and it just has some flat back beads on there. So it is missing some stuff. So again, something fun to use for crafting. Love the colors on that one. Now this one is so pretty. I like this. Look at that beautiful bead with the flowers. That is so pretty. And I like the closure as well. Really cute. Hopefully it fits me. It does. That's really pretty. I love that. Okay. Let's see. They have some tiny earrings here, like a little floral earring. Metal, and then here are some also with small little gems there. Oh, look at this. It is a cute little teddy bear. It says #1 mom. How cute. Super cute. Another pair of earrings. This time there are squares with 9 of those little gems. And look at this. This is so beautiful. I love it. It's a floral little pendant with a little pearl dangle. That's so pretty. Looks like some glue was on the back of that. Something must have been attached to it, but that is gorgeous. I'm going to put that in my little pile there. And then we have some of these earrings, which would be perfect for an evening event. That's nice, and the closure looks like they look good. That's really pretty. Now here's a pair, and they look like clip-on earrings. They look really old. This might be vintage earrings, and they're shells with some of these beads. They don't look like pearl, but they're cute little shells. How adorable. Let's see what else we have in this pile. Now this one looks handmade to me. They are paper quill earrings. It's missing one of the pearl little gem dots there. How fun is that? That little floral piece. And on the back, that's what the other one looks like. Pretty. We have some purple earrings. They kind of remind me of a Mickey Mouse ears there. Love the square. These are fun. I think the kids will like to wear this for dress up. But how cool are those? Let's see what the back side looks like. Really cute. We have some post earrings here in green. This would be fun for Christmas. And then we have a screw back like pearl earring. It's missing something here. And here's another one. More of these beads here. And some of those loose little pearl beads. We have a little dangle earring, looks handmade. Same here. Put that in our single earring pile. Now that's just a little bit. We have a lot in here. So let's pull out more stuff. Some more of these loose beads here. And then look at these. These are nice. I like that. That's again perfect for the holidays. I like the pink and gold color on it. The backing doesn't match, but that's easy to fix. More of those beads. And then we have this little clip-on little gem earring. No marking on that. Let's see if we find the pair. How pretty is that? Really cool. And then we have this broken, looks like shell, I'm not sure. Looks like shells to me. Okay. Here's the closure and it has a little blue bead over there. How cute is this pin here with a little vase? Again, this will be fun to craft with. We have a broken American flag pin. I'll put that over there. And look guys, I found the other screw back earring. So this one is missing one of the pearls that was on it. So we have that one. Another really old looking one here. This one is a bead earring, it looks like, yeah. Then we have just this, looks like a tassel earring or something. Here's, I think it's a pair. Might have been part of a necklace probably. So I'll put that in the broken pile. And here are some retro looking earrings. You can see the fading of whatever gold finish it had on the top there. We have a little alligator pin. We'll have to look closely and see it. There's a little bit of writing there, I'm not sure. But that's our pin there, and then some earrings. Here's another one of those screw back. This is pretty. More of those beads. Another one of the little faceted crystal looking bead. And then we have this beaded pendant here. Really interesting piece. She's holding a teacup. And that's the back. That's really pretty cool and odd. At the same time, this would be fun to craft with as well. So let's dig some more in here and see what else we have. Okay, so let's put that aside. We have some earrings here. They just look like cactuses or something. But what are these metal piece necklaces? I'm trying to figure out if they're attached to one piece. Let's see. That's the other challenge with getting jewelry jars or mystery bags like this. Some of the jewelry will be entangled and it takes some time to... Wow, look at that. It's a rock, some stone. This is one piece. It's very interesting. Really interesting piece. Oh, it's from Chico's. It's a Chico's necklace and it just has some random pieces here. Probably not my favorite design. This would be so heavy, but I like some of the pieces that I see here. I can really see myself using some of this in my craft. But okay, that's that big piece there. We have another beaded necklace, broken one. We'll put that with our broken pile. A little fish, looks like a flounder, I think, if I'm not mistaken. It's missing the pin. We'll put that with our mermaid, little pile there. A mermaid journal. And some shells here. More of the shells for that necklace that we saw previously. Put that in a group. Broken piece there. And these are just regular plastic beads. So this is what it looks like. We're almost at the bottom of our... Now this is pretty. I love... This is what caught my eye. Nice little statement necklace there. I love the wooden beads here. And nice closure. Little hook. Closure there. But I love this. Isn't that pretty? So that's in our wearable pile. And let's see what else we have here. They are pretty tangled out, so I'm going to go ahead and put it all out. Our jar is empty. And we have a big shell piece here that looks like it resembles a fish. We'll put that with our mermaid bead pile. And let's see, hopefully there are a few other nice ones that we can wear. I see this really pretty one. Let me just untangle it. So here is this bead and stone necklace, and it's marked with a Chico's brand. So isn't that pretty? It is a 2-strand necklace. I love this. So this is definitely a keeper. I will wear that. That's nice. And then we have this hat pin. So there's 2 pins on the back. And I guess you would wear it on your blazer like that. There's also this little gold square chain necklace with a gold knot pendant there. Really cute. Here we have this really long chain necklace that has a little gem tassel, but it looks really kind of worn out there in the color. We'll put that on this pile. And I have another long kind of boho style necklace here with some beads. I think it's really pretty with the colors, perfect for fall. And this one has a mark. Where was that? Here it is. It says Dabby Reed necklace. Isn't that pretty? So and I think this chain is gold filled, but that's a pretty one. So I'll put that in to wear pile. And the final piece in our jar is this multi-strand shell necklace. So this is another fun piece to wear in the summer, maybe to Hawaii. So definitely keep this one. So there you have it, guys. Here are my favorite wearable pieces from this jar. And for $15.99, not bad at all. Plus I have some of the ones that I'll be repurposing for some craft projects, so stay tuned for that. Comment down below, let me know which of these pieces were your favorite. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Happy thrifting out there. As always, stay safe. Thanks again for watching. Karamia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.